Hi, welcome to the NovaCore document portal. In this session, I'll be showing you how the document portal works and how to create and manage users through the portal. You'll see here that there are two types of documents that can be accessed through the portal: public documents and private documents. Public documents are approved documents that have been published by a NovaCore administrator and can be accessed without a username and password. Let's go into public documents quickly. You can see that this is pretty straightforward. You have your frameworks and folders listed here on the left, a search function, and an area here where approved and publicly published documents are displayed. By clicking on this download icon, you can download the document. To view a document, simply click on it. If it's a PDF file, it will open in NovaCore's feature-enhanced PDF viewer. Now, let's go into private documents. Private documents are password protected, so we have to log in here. Before we go further, it's important to note that there are three different types of NovaCore users. These are management users, document portal users, and document portal super users. Management users are users that have access to the NovaCore system and have the ability to manage other users. Document portal users only have access to the NovaCore portal. If we log in as a portal user, you can see that the page is very similar to the page for public documents. Super users are document portal users that also have the ability to manage and create users within the portal. It's important to note that management and super users will only be able to manage users in the document portal if they have been given the user and permission management permission. Here, I'm logging in as a super user. Because I am a super user, and I have the user and permission management permission, you can see that I have a few extra options. Here we have the Manage Users button. If I click on it, I can see any users that I have created, and I can create, edit, and delete users. To create a user, click New User. Fill in their details and set their permissions. Note that users created here will have access to all frameworks by default. To edit the user, select the user, then select Edit, make your changes, and save. As a super user with the user management permission, I also have access to this Security tab. Under Security, I can allow or deny a specific user the right to view frameworks or folders, and allow or deny them the ability to view, print, and download documents. If the download permission is denied, the download buttons will be grayed out, like this. When the user views the document in the PDF viewer, the print and download buttons will be hidden. Thank you for watching this NovaCore training video. If you need more information, check out our manual at help.novacore.com.au or our FAQ page at faq.novacore.com.au.